Here we are, guys. Saturday. We're at the Riverside Camp and Marina down here in Chickahominy, Lanexa, Virginia. This is like the great outdoors. People got different campers, RVs. And we got one of these old cabins. Not too bad. What do you guys see this lake view down here? Guys, take a look at this view. The cabin is right here by the lake. Had a little meal last night by the old fire pit. I'm gonna have one tonight, hopefully. Maybe get some more wood. It was burning pretty good. Right now it's breezy as shit. Look at this. Now, this is what getting away is all about, guys. You come down here to fish, they say the fish are really biting down here. Brandon didn't know. The state laws on catching certain fish. He caught a couple catfish last night right down there on the pier. Oh, sorry about the wind, guys. It's very windy out here today. It was from last night. The pier. Now, we just fucking came out here anyway. And you think I would fall into this shit here? Look at this. This is fucking beautiful. These little lantern lights down here light up at night so you can see your way. I don't know if I'm comfortable walking out on the dock without any guardrails. That guy just got dropped off and he's out here fishing. These were already set in place down here when we came in. I'm sorry about the wind, guys. It's very windy today. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. That's for gutting your fish. This is where we were last night. Brandon had his rod hooked up to these bases here. It's all good. Brought the chair down here set. Man, this fucking dock is rocking, man. Yeah. Nothing burns or cooks better than Bambi. Look at that, guys. Let me ask you guys something. This is the back porch. Does the foundation look safe? Yeah. Oh, that looks safe. There's a fucking... Oh, shit. I'll tell you one thing. With this porch, don't rock the boat on this shit, son.
I'm not driving today. I'm enjoying myself.
Same here. I did a 3-hour drive yesterday.
Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. The girls are driving today. We men.
Yeah. Brandon got the food cooked. Got some deer steak going on over here. All cooked. We're ready to eat. And over here, we got hash browns. We got eggs in there. Bacon somewhere in here. The bacon somewhere in here as the wind is blowing. This is going to be a Saturday night for me. Saturday morning right now. I'm going to sit out here on the porch.
Did you see the thing?
I dried my hand, so I'm with you.
Did you see the thing?
Just got done cooking the breakfast. And we're all going to get ready to eat.
But I have a lot of...
Brandon's getting ready to cast out there to dock for some catfish. Wind's finally died down. We might go out on the boat later on. He said we can rent that boat out right there for like 50 bucks, gas included, for 4 hours. Alright, so this is the bathroom / bathhouse. This is the men's room. Ooh. It looks like they need to keep up to date with this shit. If you go to take a shit, guys, hold the door. This son of a bitch does not latch. And we got a couple showers here. I imagine this is clean, or try to be clean to perfection, but no. Yeah. So we leave out of here. Lights are out. There's the women's room. Private. Over here is a gate that you got to use a code to get in. And we're about to travel over the land here just to get back to the cabin. It's a hell of a walk when you get a piss in the overnight. Oh yeah.
I think that one's fun now. I'm not giving up yet. I saw that last time. Don't let it go. I was just trying to cook it, you know what I mean?
Good. We're trying to get this fire going, guys. Oh, there it goes.
Sorry. Looks like it's
Where I thought it was.
See underneath?
Yeah.
I was trying to keep that.
Caveman, create fire.
Ooh.
Roar. That one's yours.
Yep. I'll eat it too. I'll eat it too.
I need to pull your pants up.
I'm sorry. I'm more worried about burning my fucking hand off. Fucking hand.
I was gonna say, you got all the wood in there? Oh, shit.
No, I got a whole nother bag right here.
Okay.
I did that so we can push that way out for the burger.
I don't know. When did I send it? I purposely had you in fucking mind for that. Put these back in the fire.
Yeah, it's a cigarette.
No, I didn't have any ashes earlier. See?
Leesburg, that's closer to us.
Thank you.
Right.
You can stop there on the way.
Think we could take the fire to the tree?
It'd be nice. Be nice and bright.
What?
Put the fire on the tree.
Ooh, we have a nice barbecue out here.
Tell you one thing, them pine cones burn really hot.
They are.
Well, I threw potato chips on there, and it went.
Yeah, the oil from the chips.
It wasn't just perfect timing. Mind your business. You know what? You didn't think of it, did you?
But no, seriously, look how hot them pine cones are burning.
Oh
Are
yeah,
they cooler?
they're in there.
No, seriously, they're burning.
They're burning pretty good.
They're burning better than the wood.
Shame they don't last too long.
So if you can get one of these trees if it's got like a
Shake them like a pine
a
tree.
branch that's still wet, and then you split the top part of it, and I think you put something like in between it or whatever, and you light it. It will burn for a long time because the sap and the trees make a torch. I saw it on a,
Sorry, I finished off the wine.
I know.
Okay. Sorry. My
Have a
bad.
hot dog.
Huh?
Have a hot dog when you're done with
Here,
your
you
fork.
want some more?
This is her fork. I put hers back on and it wasn't done yet.
Oh, okay.
That's
I
why-
know it was done. I just wanted to have the ashes burnt off it.
Do you have a fork, hon?
No, I want a fork.
I didn't put my mouth on it. You can still use my fork.
You need a fork?
Sure.
I don't put my mouth on forks.
How do you not put your mouth on a fork?
You want to show? You want me to show you?
No, we do not.
You didn't put your mouth on a fork,
This
did you?
time.
I'm hungry.
It's close to 11 o'clock, guys. We're out here on the dock. Brandon's casting out for some catfish.
Get him.
Yeah. It's a shame you guys can't see the stars. Well, I can see Orion's belt right there. Yeah, this shit is gorgeous. Like, you guys can't capture the essence on camera. Just these stars alone. What the fuck was that?
I think someone just roped ass.
Girls are back at the camp having a wild one. Somebody's having a party over there. A bunch of campers going on.
I wouldn't join them right now. I guarantee they have alcohol.
I wonder what light that is over there.
I think that's another light for a dock up here.
It might be.
It looks like there's pilot right there.
Oh, okay.
Pilot bridge right here.
Yeah.
The big pylons.
Oh, those, yeah.
They're all white.
Okay. Yeah. Well, guys, 7 a.m. Sunday. Look at this sunrise over this lake. Look at that mist over the lake. It's beautiful. Gotta get ready to pack up and stuff. We had a fun couple nights here. Did a whole lot. Spent a lot of the night out here by the fire. Brandon was cooking some good dinner for us. We were sitting here watching the fire, having some drinks, some laughs. Passed out around, I don't know, 1, 2 a.m. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Hit that like and subscribe button if you guys enjoy our content. And until the next one, catch you on the flip.